Have you ever wondered why you dream about certain things? Is there a hidden meaning, or is it just random brain activity? From the ancient Greeks and Egyptians who saw dreams as divine messages or omens, to Freud's interpretation of dreams as expressions of our deepest desires and conflicts, dreams have always fascinated humanity. With modern technology like MRI and PET scans, scientists can peek into our brains at night. What they found is both fascinating and enlightening. Imagine your brain as a computer. Dreams are when it organizes its files, keeping what's important and discarding the rest. A study published in 2007 showed how dreams play a crucial role in memory storage. Ever heard the advice to sleep on a problem? There's truth to it. A 2010 study found that dreaming about a task can significantly improve your ability to solve it. Dreams could also be about future threats, like a rehearsal space for our brains, preparing us on how to cope with them. This theory is supported by studies that show individuals who have experienced trauma often have more threatening dreams. Although the interpretation of particular dreams is deeply personal and subjective, dreaming itself is meaningful in many other ways. Tap on the link in bio to explore more about the fascinating world of dreams and what they could mean for you. You might discover something new about yourself. Hit the like button and subscribe for more insights.